In this video, I'll guide you through how to find new users in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly see how many completely new visitors are coming to your website or app. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have access to the right Google Analytics 4 property. Once you're ready, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. This is the main Google Analytics homepage where you can access all of your properties and reports. If you manage multiple websites or apps, double check that the correct GA4 property is selected at the top of the screen so you're looking at the right data. Next, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options there. Click on Reports. This section is where you'll find most of your standard analytics information like traffic, engagement, and conversions. It's essentially the main hub for understanding what users are doing on your site or app. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll see an overview page. From here, click on Report Snapshot. The Report Snapshot is a customizable overview of your key metrics. It's designed to give you a quick, at-a-glance summary of how your property is performing, and we're going to use it as the place where we add the new users metric so you can access it easily in the future. Now that you're viewing the Report Snapshot, look for the small pencil icon, usually near the top right of the report. This is the Customize Report button. Click on that pencil icon. Customizing the report lets you control which metrics appear so you can focus on the numbers that matter most to you. In this case, that's the count of new users. After you click the pencil icon, a customization panel will open. In this panel, you'll see sections for things like dimensions and metrics. Find the area where metrics are listed and then click on the option that says Add Metric. This tells Google Analytics that you want to include an additional data point in this snapshot view. A search box or list of available metrics will appear. In the search field, type New Users. Using the search bar is usually the fastest way to find what you're looking for, since GA4 contains a long list of possible metrics. As you type, the list will filter down until you see New Users as one of the options. When you see New Users in the list, click on it to select it. This adds the New Users metric to your report configuration. In GA4, New Users refers to people who visit your site or app for the very first time based on Google's tracking. This is especially helpful if you want to measure the impact of campaigns designed to attract fresh audiences rather than returning visitors. After you've clicked on New Users, make sure you save or apply the changes in the customization panel so the metric is actually included in your report snapshot going forward. Once it's saved, you'll be able to view your New Users metric right from the report snapshot whenever you need it without having to set this up again. That's all you need to do. You've gone from the main Google Analytics homepage into Reports, opened the report snapshot, customized it, and added the new users metric. From now on, you can quickly check how many new people are discovering your site or app directly from your GA4 reports.